soft morning light glows over the vast savanna as a gentle breeze moves through the golden grass. Birds fly freely in the clear blue sky. Everything feels calm, strong, and alive. After a long and dangerous journey, everything has finally come full circle. Kion stands tall on Pride Rock. Looking across the Pride Lands, his eyes are calm, but filled with memories of every battle, every lesson, and every friend who stood beside him. I was once just a cub who thought bravery meant fighting, Kion says quietly. Now I know. Bravery means protecting, loving, and never standing alone. He walks along the edge of the rock as soft memories play in his mind, running through the fields with racing beside Fuli, laughing with Besht, and flying high with Ono. Below, the lion guard waits for him. Bunga grins. You look like a real king up there. Kion smiles. Not a king. Just a leader who's lucky to have friends like you. Fuli steps forward. The Pride Lands are safe because of you. Besht adds warmly, because of all of us. Ono nods. One team. One heart. Later, Kion walks through the soothing trees of the Pride Lands. He sees young animals training, learning, and playing the next generation of protectors. A young lion cub runs up to him. Are you really the leader of the Lion Guard? Kion kneels gently. I was Benel. It's your turn to learn how to protect what matters. The cub's eyes sparkle with hope. The sun begins to set. All the animals gather near Pride Rock. Families, friends, protectors. The land feels united and alive. Soft ceremonial music plays in the background. Kion stands in front of everyone. Today, we don't celebrate the end of a journey, he says. We celebrate a beginning, a future where no one stands alone and where every heart beats together. The animals cheer. In the final moments, Kion stands beside his friends, watching the stars appear in the dark sky. Narrator's soft, emotional voice. The circle of life shines brighter than ever. A hero's journey ends, but a legend lives on. As a new generation rises, all together, the Lion Guard stands strong. One pride, one heart. Forever. Kion lets out a powerful, proud roar that echoes through the peaceful night as the stars shine brightly above. Last episode.